Headquartered in Florianópolis, Santa Catarina, Brazil, the CERTI Foundation is nationally and internationally known for its product design, the services it provides, and as a source of innovation. The CERTI Foundation promotes sustainable development using science and technology to propel Brazil's development. The ongoing challenge for CERTI collaborators is to contribute to economic, social, and environmental development by remaining at the forefront of technological knowledge. CERTI's infrastructure, together with its highly qualified personnel, form a perfect partnership in product development and research in the areas of industrial metrology, instrumentation and automation, Mecaoptoelectronics, quality control, innovative entrepreneurship, industrial manufacturing, digital convergence technologies, edutainment, sustainable energy, green economy. Such potential is many times put to use on multidisciplinary projects involving production, supply chain, market analysis, business plans, product development, laboratory and field testing, innovation management, and regional development. The noted excellence that CERTI has developed stems from the technical and scientific partnerships it cultivates with universities, research centers, and technology-based companies throughout Brazil and abroad. Come and learn about CERTI Foundation's specialized laboratories, and come and learn about the services